It is time for our December Kit Club release here at Scrapbook Studio, and we have a fabulous lineup for you. 4 double pages and a bonus single will be in this box. Make sure you don't miss out. We have had such a wonderful response to our Kit Club. We've packed 10 extra boxes. So for those of you who missed out last month when we were sold out, make sure that you send us the WhatsApp or that you sign up online so that you don't miss out. We've also started with our planning for next year. We've already received and ordered the first 4 releases products. We promise you, you will not be disappointed. Lots of exclusive products, gorgeous papers and add-ons. Don't miss out. Anyway, back to December. We've got 2 doubles. I love this collection. I loved working with it. Gorgeous papers, gorgeous colors. You will receive some stamped images of flowers on watercolor paper that you can color yourself to your heart's content. There will also be add-ons for December's release, so make sure that you watch your inbox or your WhatsApp for that. There we go, the second double page. I do love the fact that you can use almost any photos with this color scheme. As you can see, I've put 8 photos, big ones, onto this layout. For me, it was important to scrapbook this memory from last year this time. There's the bonus single. As you can see, lots of fun little elements. You also get a whole pack of Kaisercraft collectibles with this release. Then on to the next one. Who says little boys can't be surrounded by gorgeous blooms? My friend Julie Brown gave me a pack of her grandson's photos, and when I used these papers, I knew that they would be absolutely perfect. This is one of my classic designs. It's really easy to incorporate any photos that you like on a design like this. These are just normal jumbo photos that you can trim slightly, and you will be receiving a custom designed stencil as well as some fun glitters. And just look how beautiful. Love that heart element, love the papers. The glitter glues that you receive are especially imported, and you will just do some fun things on this layout. Then the last layout for December, once again we focus on florals. Just look how gorgeous these flowers are. Some fun more techniques with glitter, and then once again incorporating some stencil work. Fun techniques, but not too hard so that you will struggle. The perfect way to spend a couple of days in December. Remember, our Kit Club is like an event in a box. You get absolutely everything you need except for your basics and your essential tools. Make sure you don't miss out.